Welcome to part 3 of the ProQuest RefWorks module series. This piece of the module is called Overview of the ProQuest RefWorks Interface. In this piece of the module, you will add the Save to RefWorks button to your toolbar, and you will we will go over the name and general function of all the tools in the interface, hoping that by the end you will understand the tools available to you in this particular piece of software. The first thing that you're going to need to do in order to navigate around the ProQuest RefWorks interface is log into your ProQuest RefWorks account, which you have done in previous modules, but I'll just give you a moment to do that. And then the first thing that you need to do when starting to work with the ProQuest RefWorks interface is to add the Save to RefWorks button to your toolbar. And in order to do this, you're going to click on More, and you're going to have a drop-down menu that says Find Duplicates and Tools, and you're going to click on Tools. And the very first option that comes up is the Install Save to RefWorks. So you're going to click on this button, and you're going to drag and drop this particular button that's right here up to your toolbar. Now you will notice that I already have the Save to RefWorks button added to my toolbar, so I don't want to add it again, but go ahead and take care of that right now. Now that you've added the Save to RefWorks button to your toolbar, let's talk about a couple more of the tools that are available in this particular software. So in addition to this install the Save to RefWorks button, there is also the Cite in Microsoft Word and the Cite in Google Docs. Those are the two tools that will allow you to write and then cite using your ProQuest RefWorks account at the same time. That information will be covered in more detail in future modules, but I just wanted to indicate to you that it is here. Okay, now that we've discussed a couple of the tools available in the ProQuest RefWorks interface, I want to talk about how to navigate the interface generally. There are a variety of tools available to you across the top of the interface. Each of these icons have functions that will assist you in building and managing your reference list. Each of these items will be reviewed briefly in this introductory module in order to orient you to the functions within the ProQuest RefWorks interface. Many of these individual icons and tools will have their own videos modules that will discuss the functions in greater detail. Those additional modules will be referenced for you. The first tool that you have available to you is the Add a Reference. This will allow you to create a reference on your own by copying and pasting or manually typing in information about a particular reference that you are viewing. This next icon is a way to organize your folders, or they call it collections here in the ProQuest RefWorks series, and it allows you to view the different folders that you have created for yourself in your ProQuest RefWorks account. This next button allows you to collaborate with others by sharing a folder or exporting your references into another citation management tool or for use in some other function. This is the tool that is probably the biggest time saver for those of us writing research papers. This button allows you to create a bibliography. We are definitely going to cover this in a future module, but this is the tool that will allow you to format and export bibliographic references that you would copy and paste into a research paper that you are conducting for school. The trash can is delete. Similar to other tools that you likely use. This button right here is called a tag, and it allows you to address or identify different references using different language. Sometimes the tags are considered to be keywords that would be found in things that you are reading. And finally, this is tools, and this is the search button. So if you are looking to identify a particular tag, or if you want to type in, if you remember the author of something that you have imported into your citation management software, you can do a general search using this tool. In addition to the icons provided across the top of the interface, there are also tabs down the left-hand side that provide additional functions that will assist you in building and managing your reference lists. Some of these tabs have drop-down options and provide additional functions. Like the icons across the top, I will briefly review each of these tabs. For further detail on the function of these tabs, please refer to the appropriate videos. The All Documents tab simply allows you to look at every reference that you have available to you in your ProQuest RefWorks account. If you can see mine, I have hundreds. But it just creates a full list of what documents are available. The last imported button is exactly that. When you import things to RefWorks, it indicates what the last imported reference is, so that you may then organize it or tag that particular document and put it in an appropriate place. Sharing has a drop-down function. It allows you to share a folder with others who have ProQuest RefWorks accounts. My Folders also has a drop-down menu. Once you start collecting a large number of references, it makes sense to organize and sort them just like you would files for a class or a series of classes. It allows you to add a folder and name that folder anything that you like. Save it, and then for future reference you can go ahead and add references into that new folder. Tags, as we briefly discussed, tags are a way of, like keywords that will allow you to search different topics. So if you click on a particular word, it will pull up anything that's been tagged with that particular word. And finally, deleted. Items that you put in the trash don't automatically get deleted. You actually have to go and subsequently delete the deleted items. So it's kind of a safety net, which is pretty awesome. In review, in this video, you have added the Save to RefWorks button to your toolbar, and the use of the Save to RefWorks button will be discussed in a future video. Also, you should have general familiarity with the ProQuest RefWorks interface, including icons across the top of the interface as well as tabs along the left-hand side. For further information about either the icons or the tabs, please see videos with the appropriate title.